Hey guys, it's Cody from Icon Automotive. Wanted to jump in here and do a quick intro to this Ferrari 296 video. This one we did a little bit of touch-up paint. I think the car had PPF on it at one point, but there are certain areas that weren't properly covered. So we did quite a bit of touch-up paint on the front bumper before we put on new film that covered the new areas of the touch-up paint. So we did full PPF, ceramic coating, and yeah, just a little bit of touch-up paint. So nothing crazy, but it turned out really nice. And yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Thank you. All right guys, welcome back. So now we have the 296 GTS fully wrapped in paint protection film, and now the guys are going to go over it, give a final detail. We clean it with like an alcohol solution, and then that way when we apply the coating to the film, we know that there's nothing interfering between the coating and the surface of the film, and that's what's going to make sure that the coating is as durable as it's supposed to be. And right now Mark's putting it on the diffuser. So again, the idea is film's protecting the paint from rock chips, swirls, scratches, and the ceramic coating on top of the film is just making that surface, which is the film, the body of the car, super easy for the customer to clean and maintain. So yeah, they'll stay looking nice for a long time, and we'll probably wrap up here in a little bit with a final walkthrough. Thank you.